Okay, so I'm doing this. I have something in my mouth, so I sound like I have a lisp, but here's the snowblower. You want to make sure before you turn it on that you move, this is like to turn the engine on, move this over to the rabbit, and then make sure the choke is set on choke when you start it. You're gonna push to prime the gas twice, 1, 2, and then you're ready to pull on the starter, which is right there. See if it starts. Turn it off there. Now notice that I kind of moved the choke slowly to the right after I got it started. So I'm going to leave that for right now. I'm going to go up to the controls. The one on the left turns on the snow blower as far as picking up the snow and throwing it to the side. The one on the right is to go forward or backwards. Then you have your gears here. So normally you would put it into like a high gear to go fast, and you would press down here to start it. Once you hit the snow, you want to add this on there too at the same time. There's also reverse, so you can back up, reverse 1 or 2, 2 is faster. So that's basically it. Now that I'm not going to turn it on, I'm going to move the choke back. So next time I go to use it and I have it in the turtle position off, and I'm just going to leave it like this because we don't actually need to use it until tomorrow. See you tomorrow, snowblower. And this is for, what model is this? This is a Troy-Bilt, Troy-Bilt, I'm an idiot. 2-stage power, 24-inch clearing width, yay.